M&M's, pick my makeup. Let's do it.
My precious.
Face. Red. I look like a bottle of ketchup. If I was a movie character right now, it would definitely have something to do with fire. Hellboy's daughter. Concealer. Blue. How the heck am I supposed to make blue concealer work? Contour. Brown. These colours are really not complementing each other. Eyeshadow. Green. The things I do for you guys. Let's just move on to graphic liner. Please be a good one. Yellow. Is it just me or does it look green? Brows. Yellow again. I feel like a glow stick with these eyebrows. Birth detail colour. Red. How can I do red details on a red face? Second detail colour. Brown. We just gotta try and make something work. Lips. Orange. Second shade. Blue. I've officially lost hope. Who wants to see the end result? Here's the end result. Don't laugh. Is this a cute or a fail? Comment and let me know what other challenges you want me to do, no matter how crazy they are.